Good morning, dear friends. Areas of similar triangle theorem we have to study. Areas of similar triangle statement is that the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. See, observe these two diagrams. One triangle is there ABC and second triangle is PQR. Given ABC is similar triangle PQR. ABC similar triangle PQR. To prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Now construction. Draw segment AM perpendicular to side BC and PN perpendicular to side QR. Draw construction is there. Draw segment AM perpendicular to BC and segment PN perpendicular to QR. Proof. We know that. Already you have studied. 1/2 base into height. First similar property. Similar triangle property. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 into B2 upon B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Means base of first triangle, height of first triangle and base of second triangle and height of second triangle. See, observe base first triangle BC, height AM, BC into AM upon QR upon QR into PN. Right here, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AM upon QR into PN. This is your first equation. You have they are given ABC similar triangle PQR given. Similar means angle B is congruent to angle Q. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. This is your second equation. In triangle ABM and triangle PQN and triangle ABM and triangle PQN in triangle, angle B is congruent to angle Q from first equation. Angle AMB is congruent to P and Q. Each right angle triangle. Therefore, this angle and this one angle means these two angles. Triangle ABM similar triangle PQN by AA test. Therefore, when two triangles are similar, you have to take the corresponding side of congruent triangle. AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN. CSST similar triangle, corresponding side similar triangle. This is your third equation. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into AB upon PQ from first, second and third equation. Therefore AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ is equal to AB into AB square upon PQ. This is your third equation. See, observe, AM upon PN is equal to B upon PQ. You have to easily write that from third equation here, from third AB upon PQ square here. Similarly, we can show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. This is your first equation. And area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. This is from equation third and fourth. Observe whole theorem. Right. Now we have to study practice set 1.4. First example, the ratios of the corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratios of their areas. Let the corresponding side of similar triangle be B1 and B2. Therefore, B1 is to B2 is equal to 3:5. Means they are given the ratios. b1 upon b2 is equal to 3:5. The ratios of the areas of triangle b1 square upon b2 square, since a theorem of areas of similar triangle. b1 means 3 here given, b2 means 5 given, 3 upon 5 bracket square, therefore 3 square is 9 and 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25. Therefore, the ratios of the areas of triangle is equal to 9 upon 25. Right now. Second example, if triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, AB is to PQ is equal to 2:3, then fill in the blanks. Means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Therefore 2 square, they are given ratios right here, 2 square upon 3 square, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, because reason is that theorem of areas of similar triangle. Third example is there, area of similar triangle, third example, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC 80 given, area of triangle PQR 125 given, then fill in the blanks. Complete this fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR 80 upon 125. Taking square root C, factorize this value. 16 5 is 80, 25 5 is 125, 5 get cancelled, 16 upon 25. Therefore, AB square upon PQ square is equal to 16 upon 25. The reason theorem of areas of similar triangle. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. Taking square root on both sides means AB square get cancelled. AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon. Next, fourth example, triangle element similar triangle PQR. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle element. If QR is equal to 20, then find MN. First you write given values. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle element, given right here. Then cross multiplication, area of triangle PQR upon multiplication is there here, divide. Area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle element is equal to 16 upon here multiplication here, divide 16 upon 9. Now triangle element similar triangle PQR given, they are given. Similar means therefore area of triangle element upon area of triangle PQR is equal to MN square upon QR. Theorem of areas of similar triangle. Therefore this value they are already here. 9 upon 16 is equal to MN square upon QR square. Taking square root on both sides, MN upon QR is equal to 3 upon 4, because 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Therefore MN upon QR value they are given right here. QR 20. Cross multiplication, MN is equal to 3 into 20 upon 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Cut this value. 3 into 5 is equal to MN value is 15. MN value is 15. See properly, right? You understood. Fifth example, area of two similar triangles are 125 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If side of the smaller triangle is 12, then find the corresponding side of bigger triangle. Let the corresponding side of bigger and smaller triangle be B1 and B2 respectively. First you write, let the corresponding side of bigger and smaller triangle be B1 and B2 respectively. Therefore, area of bigger triangle upon area of smaller triangle is equal to B1 square upon B2 square. Theorem of areas of similar triangle. Bigger triangle area they are given, smaller triangle area they are given. Therefore 125 upon 81 is equal to B1 square upon B2 square. Taking square root on both sides, 125 is a perfect square of 15 and 81 is perfect square of 9. Therefore B1 B1 upon 12 because B2 they are given 12 centimeter. Therefore taking square root on both sides, therefore B1 is equal to 15 into 12 upon 9. Therefore 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Therefore B1 is equal to 20. Therefore B1 is equal to 20. Again you see area of bigger triangle upon area of smaller triangle, B1 square upon B2 square. 125 upon 81 is equal to B1 square upon B2 square. Taking square root on both sides, 15 upon 9 is equal to B1 upon 12. Cross multiplication, B1 is equal to 15 upon 12 into 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Again 3 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 4s are 20. B1 is equal to 20. Sixth example, area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. Equilateral means two sides are, no, three sides are equal. If area of triangle ABC is 2, area of triangle DEF is equal to 1:2 and AB is equal to 4, find DE. You have considered first in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Angle A is congruent to angle D. Angle B is congruent to angle E. Because reason each angle is measure of 60 because of equilateral triangle. Only for equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all angles are equal, all sides are equal. Therefore, by AA test, triangle ABC similar triangle DEF, AA test of similarity. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square. Theorem of areas of similar triangle. Theorem of areas of similar triangle. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF, they are given 1:2 means 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 square upon DE square. AB also given 4 square upon DE square. Cross multiplication DE into 1 means DE square upon DE square is equal to 4 square into 2. Therefore 4 is a perfect square. Taking square root on both sides, DE is equal to 4 root 2 unit. 4 root 2 unit. Next 7 question. In the adjoining figure, segment PQ is parallel to segment DE. See, observe. Segment PQ is parallel to DE. Given area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 square unit. PF to DP. Then find area of square DPQE by the completing the following activity. Given value you write here. First, area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 square unit. PF is equal to 2 times DP. Let assume that DP is equal to X. Therefore, DF is equal to, see, DF is equal to DP plus PF. DP plus PF. You have to assume that DP is equal to X, PF is equal to 2X. Because here you assume DP is equal to X. Therefore, DF is equal to DP plus PF is equal to X plus 2X. Therefore, is equal to 2 plus 1, 3x. Now, in triangle FDE and FPQ, angle D is congruent to angle angle D is congruent to angle P. Means angle FDE congruent triangle angle FPQ. Corresponding angles. Second, angle FED congruent angle FQP. Means this Q angle and this E angle. Corresponding angle. These two angles. Therefore, triangle FDE similar triangle FPQ AA test. Therefore, area of triangle FDE upon area of triangle FPQ is equal to DF square upon PF square is equal to 3x square upon 2x square. X get cancelled. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. Therefore, area of triangle FDE is equal to 9 upon 4 into area of triangle FPQ. FPQ, they are given this value 9 upon 4 into 20. Therefore, 4 ones are 4 5s are 9 5s are 45 square unit is area of triangle FDE. Therefore, area of square DPQE is equal to area of triangle FDE, means FDE minus FPQ. Therefore, 45 minus 20 is equal to 25 square unit is the area of square DPQE. DPQE. This is your 25 square unit. Observe this. I hope you understand all the examples. Okay, right?